tutaendelea kufanya.
Minister wa Ũkinyanĩria bũrũri-inĩ Joe Mucheru augĩte thirikari ndĩkwĩrorera ciĩko ingĩcũngĩrĩria ũthararia wa gĩthurano kĩnene kĩrĩa kĩrarĩrĩirio mweri ũkĩte. Mucheru augĩte honge cia thirikari ciarĩkia ũtuĩria wacio arĩa makũnyitĩkana na mahĩtia nĩ mekuoerwo makinya ma watho. Makĩaria arĩ Ũthaya kaunti-inĩ ya Nyĩrĩ hĩndĩ ya mathiko ma mwarĩ wa nyina na president wa tene Mwai wa Kibaki nĩwe Esther Waitherero, nake governor wa Laikipia Nderitu Mũrĩithi orĩtie thirikari ithuthurie mĩario ya ateti amwe arĩa mangĩhũrithania mũingĩ.
You cannot be carrying election material as personal effects and come into the country. Surely, as government, we have to be able to be vigilant and to verify whatever is coming in. So that one, I think the authorities are working on that. The IG, I'm sure, will be able to clear that matter, or DCI. But if you're procuring, there's a process in which you deliver goods into the country. You cannot just have it in your luggage. Na unaingia nayo. Who are you? You're from Venezuela. Even the companies are not from the company that is contracted was not from Venezuela, even if they have a branch, or Panama. So there's things that must be cleared, and as a country we must be sure that whatever is being done is done above board. But I don't think there's any mischief that the government is trying to do anything. This is something straightforward. If you find me with election material and I'm not IBC, wouldn't you ask me what I'm doing with that material?
And we should ask NCIC and other agencies charged with ensuring that the political conduct and speeches of Kenyans do not bring discord among us. I honestly believe they should investigate these kinds of statements and take appropriate action. This is not the time and space for leaders to be stroking ethnic animosity.
Hĩndĩ ya gũthũrima